Hi students, let's learn today topic the expanded form of a number, textbook page number 17 and 18. So let's start. The topic is the expanded form of a number. Okay, let's see now. Now what is given here students? The place value of 3 in the number 35 is 30. Let's see why this is given here. Let's see now. Okay, the place value of 3 in the number 35 is 30. Why this is given? Because this 3 is at the tens place and 5 is at the unit place, and you know 3 tens means 30 is given here. Okay, and 5 unit means 5. Okay, one more example. Let's see now what is given students. The place value of 5 is 5. You can see the place value of 5 is 5. Why? Because this 5 is at the unit place. Okay, like this. Now next see, therefore the number 35 means 30 plus 5. You can see therefore the number 35 means 30 plus 5, because 35 3 times 30 and 5 units 5, like this. Now what is given here students? 30 plus 5 is called the expanded form of 35. You can see here this 30 plus 5, this 30 plus 5, this 30 plus 5, this is the expanded form. This is the expanded form of the, this is very important, this is expanded form, okay, of 35. This 30 plus 5 is the expanded form of 35. I will show you by writing students. 35 is equal to 30 plus 5, and this 30 plus 5 is the expanded form of this number 35. Okay, see next one more example students. Now what is given here? The expanded form of 94 is 90 plus 4. Okay, I will show you by writing. Let's see. Expanded form of 94 is equal to 90 plus 4. Why 90 plus 4? Because this 9 is at the tens place, so 9 times 90, and 4 is at the unit place, 4 unit 4. Okay, one more example I will show you students. Let's see. 60. Okay, 60, 1 meter students, 60, okay, is equal to 60 plus 0. You can see 60 plus 0. Okay, so why 60 plus 0? Because you can see this 6 tens 60, 0 unit 0. Okay, like this you can write the expanded form of the given numbers. See next example. Now what is given here? 35 number is given, so place value of 3 is 30, place value of 5 is 5, so spelling of 30 THIRTY 30, and spelling of 5 is 5. Okay, so this is expanded form 30 plus 5. So I will show you by writing. Okay, 35 is equal to 30 plus 5. This is the expanded form of the, this underline 30 plus 5 is the expanded form of 35. See next example. Now what is given here? 24, number 24, place value of 2 is 20, place value of 4 is 40, spelling of 20 TWENTY 20, and 4, spelling of 4, like this, and this is expanded form 20 plus 4. I will show you by writing. Let's see. 24 is equal to expanded form of 24, 20 plus 4. You can write this is the underlined expanded form 20 plus 4. Okay, next one more example. Okay, what is given here? 73, place value of 7, 70, because 7 is at the tens place, place value of 3, 3, because 3 is at the unit place, so 70, spelling of 70 is given SCVENTY 70, spelling of 3 is given 3, so 70 plus 3, this is the expanded form. Let's see. For example, 73 is equal to 70 plus 3. This is the expanded form of the 73. Next one more example. Now what is given here? 49. Okay, place value of 4, 40, place value of 9, 90, spelling of 40 FORTY 40, spelling of 9 NINE 9. Okay, this is expanded form 40 plus 9. Let's see now. Okay, 49, okay, is equal to 40 plus 9. This is the expanded form. Okay, 40 plus 9 is the expanded form of 49. One more example, see students. Now what is given here? From the above, can you see that the expanded form of 35 expanded form of 35 is 30 plus 5, expanded form of 73 is 70 plus 3, expanded form of 24 is 20 plus 4, expanded form of 49 is 40 plus 9. I will show you by writing. Let's see now here. Expanded form of 35, okay, is equal to, very simple, 30 plus 5. Expanded form of 73 is equal to 70 plus 3, you can write easily. Now next examples are also there. Expanded form of 24, okay, is equal to 20 plus 4, okay, and expanded form of 49 is equal to 40 plus 9, you can write like this. Okay students, okay. See next some examples. Now what is given here? Write the expanded forms of the following numbers. If following numbers come, we have to write the expanded form of the following numbers. Here you have to write numbers, here you have to write numbers in words, here you have to write expanded form. Let's see. Number 32. So here answer will 3 times means 30, answer will be there, okay, and 2 unit means 2 will be there, and spelling of 30 is THIRTY, 30, spelling of 2 TWO2, and this is expanded form. 30 plus 2 means place value is the expanded form of the numbers. Okay, next see number 10 is there. Okay, what is the place value of 1? You can see 10. Place value of 1 is 10. Place value of 0 will be 0. You can see 0. Okay, now what is spelling of 10? TEN, 10. Okay, what is spelling of 0? Spelling of 0 is JDRO, 0. Okay, and what is the place expanded form of 10? Expanded form of 10 is 10 plus 0, you can write like this. Okay, next number is 64. What is place value of 6? 60, because 6 is at the tens place. Place value of 4 is 4, because 4 is at the unit place. Spelling of 60, SIXTY, 60, you can write this here. Spelling of 4, FOUR4, you can write here. Next, expanded. What is expanded form? Expanded form is nothing but the place value of given numbers. Addition of place value. Addition of place value of numbers is the expanded form. You can see 60 plus 4 is the place value of this number 64. Next number is 70. Place value of 1, you can see 10. Place value of 7 is 7. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 7. Okay, spelling of 10, TEN, 10, you can write here. Spelling of 7, SEN, 7, you can write here. And expanded form of 17, 10 plus 7 is equal to 17, you can write here. Okay, see next examples. Now what is given? A little bit of fun. Okay, look at the chart you completed on page 9 and 10. Okay, you have to complete the chart on your maths textbook, page number 9. Okay, there are numbers are given there. In the numbers from 10 to 100, okay, you have to see numbers from 10 to 100, and how many times do we see the digit 5 in the tens place. Okay, now you have to find out how many times you see number 5 in the tens place from numbers 10 to 100. So answer is students 10. Okay, why 10? And write those numbers in your notebook. Let's see, we'll check this now. You can see here in 50, 5 is at the tens place. In 51 also 5 is at the tens place. In 52 also 5 is at the tens place. In 53 5 tens place. In 54 5 is at the tens place. In 55 also 5 is at the tens place. In 56 also 5 is at the tens place. In 57 also 5 is at the tens place. In 58 also 5 is at the tens place. In 59 also 5 is at the tens place. Okay, now we will count these numbers. We will check our answer is correct or not. Let's see. 1 minute students. Let's check our answer. Let's see. This number 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 time. You can see this 10 is okay. This 10 is at the this 1 minute. This 5 is at the tens place. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. Okay, so you can write this. One more example is given there. In the numbers from 10 to 99, what is given? How many times do we see the digit 0 in the unit place? Okay, now you have to write how many times you have to check the 0 is at the unit place and write those numbers. We will check our answer. You can see in number 10, 0 is at the unit place. In number 20, 0 is at the unit place. In number 30, 0 is at the unit place. In number 40, 0 is at the unit place. In number 50, 0 is at the unit place. In number 60, 0 is at the unit place. In number 70, 0 is at the unit place. In number 80, 0 is at the unit place. In number 90, 0 is at the unit place. Okay, like this. Now we will count how many times the 0 is at the unit place. Okay, let's see, let's check now. Okay, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. You can see our answer is correct. Means the 0 is 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times the 0 is at the unit place from numbers 10 to 99. Okay, that's why our answer 9 is correct. Okay, see next examples. Now practice examples are here. Write the place value of underlined digit. You have to write the place value of underlined digit. Now underlined digit is 6. Which place? This is unit place. That's why place value of 6 will be 6. Okay. Now next number 48. What is place value? Underlined digit 4. Which place? Tens place. 4 times 40. Next number 54. Underlined digit 4. What is place value of 4? 4 will be, you can see 4. Okay. Number 77. Underlined digit 7. What is place value of 7? 7 times 70. Number 82. Underlined digit 2. What is place value of 2? 2, because 2 is at the unit place. Number 91. Underlined digit 9. What is place value of 9? 90, because 9 is at the tens place. So you can write these answers. See more examples. Write the numbers from its expanded form. This is expanded form. Okay, 70 plus 8. Now you have to write the number. Let's see. So 70 plus 8 is equal to 78. Very simple. Next, see now. 60 plus 1, 61. Next, 90 plus 7, 97. You can write the numbers from its expanded form. Okay, this is expanded form of 97. 90 plus 7 is the expanded form of 97. But what we have to do? We have to write numbers from expanded form. 80 plus 0 means 80. This is expanded form of 80. 80 plus 0. Like this you can write the answer, students. Next, fill in the blank spaces. Now see, you can see here is place value of 1 is 10 and this is place value of 1 is 1. Let's see the answer. You can see this number is 11. Okay, you have to write here the place value of 110 is 10 and place value of 1 unit is 1. Now here what is given? Number 52. Place value of 5 tens is given 50. Place value of 2 unit is given, you can see 20. Okay, now number 92, 98. Place value of 9 tens 90, you can write. Place value of 8, you can write 8. Like this you can also write answers. Next, see number 76. Place value of 7 tens and place value of 6, you have to write 6 units. Okay, because 6 is at the unit place, 7 is at the tens place. That's why 7 tens 6 units. Like this you have to write. Now let's see now. 4 tens and 0 units means answer will be 40. Let's see now. Okay, let's see, answer is given 40. 4 times 40, 0 and 0, 40. Okay, now here what is given? 87. Okay, so you have to write 8 tens here and 7 units is already given. So let's see, 80 is given there, but you have to write, students, here what you have to write? You have to write 8 units. 8 tens you have to write. You have to write here 8 tens like this. Okay. Okay, so you can write these answers here. So that's all from this lesson, students. I hope you understood properly the expanded form, how to write the expanded form. Okay, so if you like this video, then please share this video, like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel.